when people are building a business or building a team and they want to expand their team. So I hear a lot of people say, Dave, find me somebody just like me. I want to grow my team. If I had 10 more people just like me, kind of duplicate yourself type of thought process. And at first I get it, but the reality is if we had 10 Daves on our team, I would have Post-it notes everywhere, but nothing would get implemented because I'm an idea guy. I'm a thinker. So I'm driving along and something pops in my head. So I quick text Dana, and then before you know it, she's got this framework done for it already. If I didn't have that and it was just 10 of me driving around, there'd be all these ideas, but nothing would get done. Nothing would get implemented. So we use DISC a lot on the personality profile DISC. You can basically build a team with these different personalities so that you're able to build the ideal team. I think it's so powerful is to be able to create your team, not just based on what they tell you they're good at, but what they actually are built to do. But I understand it. We think work ethic and we think of engagement, and we have to be really careful because I ran into this a lot. I'm an outgoing, talkative person. So if I encounter somebody in a meeting that's not talkative and they're very reflective, introspective, my immediate thought is they must not be engaged in this. They must not be interested in this. And that's that surface discussion that's so painful and so dangerous because I'm making an assumption based on what I see and I'm way off. But if I don't see some kind of outward response, then that's my blind spot where I make an immediate judgment. I think is really helpful to really understand people at a deeper level.